Yes, ikaw naman siguro.
Okay, start.
You have the mushrooms.
Alright. The mushrooms,
Ay, oo, need sila
they're
mycelium. Mabot
they're
ka na po.
cute, but
Oh, I don't need the corn
naisya
flowers.
pang kuan dirt path. So this
Oh,
one
yeah.
goes here, and the mosquito man yung kuan Paris, so it goes higher. And then these ones, I don't like these ones, so these go here.
Oh,
Wait,
okay,
cute
baby.
man ang kani. So it goes
No, no, try ko ani kay mo siya like mushroom di kay na mushroom tanan ba kaning crimson na
kataning mushroom nga actual mushroom.
yeah, kana siya.
The short grass, it's meh, it's your usual. But the fern though, it's an upgraded version. The short dry grass. What does this look like? Oh, it's cute.
Uy, try lagi white.
It's
What the fuck?
cute. This one goes
Ba-
here.
Bago
Oops.
na siya, babe. Bago ba na
I
siya?
think, oh, it's new.
Oh.
The bush.
Kinano di ba
Look
ni
at the bush. It's
asa daw?
so good.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Nice. Yes. Koy for like baga na kanang solid kasi na texture like muslo. Okay, manay mo ah.
Yes.
Okay, dead bush. Man, okay ko makita ng design na dead bush. So I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, yeah, dandelion. It's an okay flower. It's an okay flower. Are lang dali. Sa- like same sa poppy po like like decent ra kay sila na blue orchid. Blue orchid. Oh, man, I think it's here. No, wait. Ay, no, the solid naman mga flowers. Good, solid naman mga flowers. Ay, you know what, actually, lahat mo sila white. Ang allium lang here. Do nice mga flower. Make up your fucking mind. Ani kay, yeah, weird siya. Are lang dari. Flowers are, ano ni, B tier. Yeah, these guys. Ang kaning orange o white tulip, ganahan kay ko nila. Na. Pero ang red kay, mura ang gutya ka ng bootleg rose ba? So I think are siya. Kung red tulip. Okay, that's for my roll, babe.
Okay, mine. The pink tulip goes here. It's the cuter version. It pairs good with the white. And the daisy is the same tier as this one. The cornflower is cute. No,
Dili.
it's him here. Okay, we
Oh,
already know where Lily Valley to go.
yes, we know where the lily of the valley is. It's our favorite flower.
And the torch flower is cool, so it goes here.
Oy, really, A tier?
Yeah, it's
Really?
cool. Where's your
Di siya,
mohawk?
yeah, pero like, di siya S tier? Or sobra ra, like, it's too
Yeah.
much.
The
Okay.
cactus flower though, she cute. It goes here.
Babe, cute nila mga bagong updates sa EDHD ni babe. Oh. Kaya ba nagtanong ka ba ako? Yaw ko, ano sana babe? Ako naman gud sa 1.5.2 ba? For some reason, ako mga worlds kay sa jungle, jud. So, like, ako mga balay kay sa kanang kwan, jungle trees.
This one, I thought I'd like it, but like, not that much. So they go
Ang
here.
closed, ang closed version, ang
Yeah.
mata. Dili.
This one, it looks better so because she's one of us. The Wither
Ang snake
Rose, Chuyang Wither Rose.
choy choy ka ng
So
gothic
legendary, very
picture
gothic,
pod.
and that's all.
Yeah, oy, hell yeah. Um, pink petals, yeah, like choice, yeah. No? Ang wildflowers, wala po ko gagamit pero
Uy,
I think,
nice man, cute man.
yeah, cute yeah. Yeah, cousin. Leaf litter. I think 8 year ni babe. Very cool. Spore blossom, sa pagbutangan eh. I think
Sa
this is 8
taas
year.
na siya. I-use the barrier block, pwede naman guro.
Okay. Barrier block. Wait. Let me put. Ari na siya diri nice ni siya. Can I put you? Oh, look at that.
Pwede man
Fiery
siya,
bush.
try daw sa, dili pwede sa
Oh,
ground.
dili. Chuy
Ah,
lagi nila mga plants ron. What
Chewy
the
ba
fuck?
yan eh? It's nice.
Ay, bamboo. Bamboo is okay. Need lang ko
The
bone.
seedling is, ew. But
Ah,
the
oh, bitaw
bamboo
daw.
itself is nice.
Okay, this is ang bamboo. Pero ang seedling, wait, but nga nila ako barrier kay this will get annoying. Seedling, it's okay. Cute ra siya. Ara ka din. Next kay sugarcane. It's an okay. Wait, Sandra din ang sugarcane. Oh yeah,
Oh, but
Sandra
it
na
needs
no.
water.
Oh, it needs
Oh,
water.
need ba? Try daw sand lang. But try daw like grass lang. Pwede man siya sa grass.
Need lang dyan siya water.
Yeah, need siya water.
Yeah,
I-cover na og
sugarcane.
kuan. Cover ra na og.
Cactus is an okay food. It's an okay. Crimson root, damn, it's one of those kanang like weird lang. Eh, yeah, I'm gonna place it there. Hala siya there. Alright. Imo na sa
For mine, the warp roots is is the same. The sprouts is the same. But you could do something with this. This
ako
one.
na fine.
Oh, this is. I need barrier block.
Barrier blocks.
You. This
What
one.
the fuck?
I don't like the red one.
So with 4 gigabytes of RAM, playable or dito siya sa kay imagine na nag-Minecraft ko, nag-record, and on Discord.
Yeah. But the twister vine. Oh, oops. There. Oh,
Really, no? I mean, chewy sila pero like, damn. Listed ang plants kay they're all kind of cool. Pero mo lagi.
the vines is they're really cool, so they go here. You can use them for anything, for nature purposes. The tall grass is the same as your grass, so it goes here.
Mm.
Maybe better, but it's tall. And then it like you can see it more. The large fern are little, so it goes here. It's above that one. And then the large fern is the same there. Now the tall dry grass, they're the same. For the sunflower, she cute, so she goes here. Okay, your turn.
Hmm. Very nice, baby. Karon pa ko ba na picture plant ang Minecraft? Oh, look, nako simulayo.
Sa kuan man na sa sniffer, so you don't see it that often.
Abay, wala din na ang sniffer. Bago na din na. What? No, ano ko
Okay
ba?
naman ang sniffer.
Pero kaning picture plant ba? Unsa man eh?
Sa sniffer. Like,
Sniffer.
makita na nimo kung naa kay sniffer.
Wait, so dugay na ning picture plant?
Yes.
What? Like, oh yeah, dude. Listen kay mga flowers kay, they're all good. Rose bush. Oh, look at this.
This one
Amazing.
better.
Peony food.
The
Picture
peonies
plant.
I don't like that much.
Oh, really? Okay na lang. Picture plant. Oh man. Big leaf leaf. Do nice yung kayo. Magtubo ni. Ah, adili ra no mo lagi mo ra stack. Small drip leaf. Dili gyud ko butang sa small drip leaf, babe, no need tubig. I can't place small drip leaf. Ah, sa tubig ra na sila.
Uy, mas cute ni.
Yeah. Ang chorus fruit of plant of flower are last. So weird. One of those forgotten things. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, ang plant man ni mismo, no? Sa pag tanong mo chorus
And stone.
and stone? Wait lang. Hindi ba nag-bone yet? Yeah, man, how chorus plant? Maybe, I see. Ano day? Di siya ma-bone meal. Di siya ma-bone meal, babe. Kana, chorus flower. Na. Yes, weird things.
But the flower looks better though.
Uh, wait, what's some? Ano na din? Above. There we go. Kaning glow lichen ba? Sumukan ko. Arila ni Dre. That's my row.
Ikuan og barrier block. Ayaw, dara sa tree.
Aw, amo gana ra de. Gana ra de kung bar. Ano na. There we go. Yes. Glow lichen. That's my row, babe.
Okay. Hanging roots, they look like worms. So they go here.
Like worms.
Maybe this not like worms. Look at this. Horrendous. Look at that frog spawn. Ew.
Dulod kayo. Purog mata. Yo. We're gonna need some hose for the next one.
Ito,
Water.
para dili sila mag-grow. Um,
Ka-weird na eh. Luoda na eh.
oops.
Oh.
Look
Copper.
at this turtle egg. Look at it. It's so cute. That has
Wow.
10th year.
Where baby?
Or at
Where's
least
it?
8 year. Look.
You need to, you need to place it. Oh, bitaw cute kaya.
The one variant is not that good, so we have to need one. You need what to make it look cuter. Aday!
Oh, sniper pat yan nato siya.
Ayaw! No, he's stepping on to. He's stepping on the eggs.
Yeah, we're gonna kill the dude. We need to kill the dude.
He's
Banga
stepping
lagi
on
ning
the egg.
same ra din copper ug stone sword.
Okay, now for the sniffer egg. It's also
Goodbye. Goodbye, sniffer. Patyan ako, babe.
no.
Gonna kill him.
Oh,
Oh, rest in peace.
dried gas. You already know where this goes.
Yeah, cute to tayo.
So
Hindi
cute.
naman tulo. Haluya na niya eh. What the fuck? Babe, babe, loy kayo.
Gani.
Babe, loy kayo.
What? Masud lang. Pwede tayo masudlan og barrier block.
Ah, ma-waterlog then barrier block. I see. So basically, waterlog kay same ra og coordinates. Happy na siya. Uuya na niya ay. What the fuck?
Ay, masadyo balik.
Ayaw.
Di man siya maklaro. Oops.
Wa man siya ni happy. Kaya na little guy.
What the?
Really? So no? Mo happy. Kita ka ni happy siya?
I guess later pa siya.
Oh, okay. Mara din si zombie villager.
Okay. For the plants, wheat seeds is your classic.
I have a hoe. I have a hoe.
Oh, thank you, kind sir.
Yes, classic. Oh, should we like bone meal it? Kaya kay maklaro.
Yes.
Let me give my bone meal. Let me give my bone meal. There we go. Yes.
For the cocoa
Cocoa beans.
beans, the
Sa tree
cocoa
na.
beans, mm,
Need
they
to
will look
attach it
too
with some.
good. Wait. Oh, need to do it.
Yeah, I need to put it on some wood, on some piece of wood. They only grow on wood.
Oh, wait, jungle just so.
Ow, that makes it worse. Pero nice naman sila. Mabon meal.
Put this here. This goes in here.
I'm not gonna step in line, sir. Nah, yes. Very cool.
For the pumpkin seeds,
Need the water. Where do you want to put it?
hmm. Well, the pumpkin is the separate block, but the
Yeah.
pumpkin plant itself kind of looks boring, so it goes here.
Okay. Subot nga ni mo og barrier block.
Yes. Wait, asa nagikan torch flower? Ako aning torch flower?
Yep, inyo mo ano.
No, it's not.
Dilim na ako nag-review ano.
Pumpkin seed melon. Ako ang melon. Imuha ang torch flower.
Wala ko
Wala
nag-review og
to.
torch flower.
The melon guy.
Melon.
Same raman sila good, same block. So put it here. They're the same.
Gitrap na ko ano barrier blocks. Pwede mo tubo ba?
Okay, your turn.
Ah. Beetroot seeds. They're okay. They're meh. They're D tier. They are D tier indeed. I don't know what so many torch flower seed.
Sa
What
snipper
does
na
that
siya.
look like? Oh, it's just the same as a flower.
Shall we put it
But
in frame?
no, kuan asa this unsay naong niya before sa mga fully grow. That's kind of okay. Kinda okay. I'm gonna move it dito same sa iyang kuan. move it here. Nya, mabutang ko og barrier block para di siya mutubo.
Usa naman siya ka block.
Ana ba?
Bugto pa raman
Ang
gyud
order.
na.
Order. Butang niya. Ano yung picture pod? Yucks.
Cute. Uy, ko
Ay,
cute.
hindi mo siyang turnip, bro. What the fuck?
Cute.
Mo siyang, babe, mo siyang turnip. Mo siyang turnip.
Turnip.
Mo siyang turnip.
Ko cute ra ana.
Bitaw sa. Okay. Kaning glowberries, di lagi na mo glow lagi. Ay mo grow.
Sa
Ang
ceiling
glowberries,
man
di
gud
lagi mo.
man na. Sa
Di grow eh.
ceiling man na.
Ah, sili.
Try
Ano yung
barrier
tubo
block.
ko?
Try barrier block.
Fire blocks. Tata. Hmm. Ba, yung giguba akong fire block. Ay, na dere. You know what? Okay, mo good siya. Good. It's okay. Ana, look at the beauty. Pre grow though. Okay. Ano ra? Mas kisa. Wow, it's okay. Ay, ba sweet berries? Okay. Kani kay mid ra niya. Like, okay ra niya siya. Ari siya dali. Nga makasamad pa jud nimo, which I don't like. Next kay I have I have netherwart. It's also a mid con. It's a mid item. So I will put. It's useful. Okay. Ara na lang dere. It's useful. Put that there. Put the netherwart there. Di siya mag-grow, babe. Di siya mag-grow ko na bone meal.
I thought mag-grow.
Blaze powder. Adide. Seagrass. Decent or sa decent item. Same
What
sa
man og
CP ko.
barrier block?
Adi man naman tubo gawas. CP ko okay sa.
Ma-waterlog man.
Dahil, dili ba, like, mag-grow siya upward, dili man. Yeah, ang
Wala
lilipad
man makita.
kay it's a classic.
Naman guloy world edit. Dili ka ka world edit ana.
Ano man?
Nga ma-place ang like empty like ang is the block ba? Like
Yeah, ana.
ma-place siya no matter unsa iyang gi-kuan.
Ah,
Wala world edit
uh,
ana.
I'm not sure. Murag wala na nasa new Minecraft. Ano. Pero yes, manato akong raw, babe. It's your turn.
Sige.
Ding, 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 ding. Chorus.
Pwede ba lagi?
What? So? How the fuck? Yun sa nanay mo?
Set. Slash set.
Oh, what you know how to do edit na. Good job.
Thank you. What the hell
Sige,
happened?
continue.
Bridge. Oops.
Na-update man gud nimo? Gi-update nimo.
Oops. To the simple CP ko. Oh no.
Yeah, na-update nimo siya, babe.
Oh no.
Ding dong bang dong bang bang bang.
Okay, mine is
Unsa nini mo pagbuta og tubig?
Nag-slash set ra ko yan. Automatic na siya na yung tubig.
Gi-point ra nimo?
Oh!
Yeah, I need na lang jud ni butang og kuan gyud. Ana na lang jud.
Okay. Ang kani ba, di man guro ni siya mo stay.
You need to put it in water.
Eh, ayaw lang sa, like, if dili ra kay ayaw na lang. This one, you need to put it here. Sa block mo.
Bito 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 bito.
So, blue one. Is cute.
Kung mamatay siya, morga po, you need to put it in water.
Tanaw lang, basin dahil ang creative mode. Oh.
Yeah, it did. Dito lang sa bus.
What is
Matay.
slash set? What is slash set?
Get out, bet.
What? Yung coral block.
Dili, kay black man siya, over it.
Let's see.
Get out, what? Why? The fuck? Mas dugi ron. Ay, sa ilap, Pero kung taparan ni mo, pidiram ka mo rido, babe. Pidiram ka mo rido. Matay na siya. Wow! Oh, matay na siya. Okay, di balik ka daw niya. Mabutang na po adjacent niya, one block apart. Sige daw. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Oh, okay. Just don't touch it. Okay.
For the brain.
Ano?
Brain coral block?
Yeah, brain coral.
Is trypophobia, so it goes here.
Oh, so Eesh. Dali asam matay eh. Ano ba di advertisement sa una? Nanihila kang sa tukin sa tanong senador. Kinay coral sa truck.
For real?
Hmm.
Bubble coral block. Bubble looks like a kind of beans, so bubble goes here.
Mo siya ka ng mga mod sa Minecraft.
This one is even worse. Is it?
Yeah.
This one goes bottom. There's a bottom too. Wait, below netherrack? No.
Babe, there's worse than that. I can assure you.
Ano sa'yo daw gani? Fire. Oh, that's fire.
Some random placements.
No, the horn. It looks like SpongeBob. So it goes here. Ano sa'yo tawag sa yellow? Saan nga coral block?
Horn coral black. Horn coral.
The last one is just the dead one. So, that's here. Okay, go.
Wait, imo na ibutang sa sawg.
Tira.
Wala lagi ka. Wala lagi ka. What the fuck? Nawa ka, babe.
Na-focus board.
Ha? Nawa ka sa board.
Ako sa F.
Doon na. Di na nasa nung glitch na mawa ka ba? Other day? Sus. Okay, ako na sad. Ako na pod.
Yes.
Wait, wala lagi ni duwam ni sila kabuk. Asa mo usa ka dead coral, wala lagi ni mag-rank lagi.
Ay, oh pali ay.
Oh,
Ay, jokes. Ay, it's the same.
butang
Mawag yapon.
dead tube coral. I don't know. This is dead tube coral. The brain man no? The tube coral. Brain coral. Yes. This one we need to put in water. So, ari ta balik. The brain coral, hindi ko gamit. I mean, also may gamit si coral, bro. Ayan lang
Pero,
bro.
oh! Awa, ni change face na siya.
Ha?
Look.
Oh, neutral gas na siya. Neutral gas. Ano dali, bye. These are where my corals belong.
Lagi bakla.
I was running to the rhythm, one. Di ba na mo grow outward good? Ang coral. O pa na nahuman, babe. O pa na nahuman. I was running to the place and I was running to the place. One someday, nobody knows. Nobody knows. I was running inside the coral. My life is inside the rage. Sawat ka?
Wala.
Babe, maguba na. Talawa po tayo na.
No!
Who told you you'll be using commands? Naguba na yung mga mushroom, mga flower.
No!
Running to the reason. Oh, siya. No more water. No more. Ano lagi ta world? No more world
Kachoy,
edit. If mag-world edit ka,
magbaro dira, oh.
binuwa lagi akong nag
Magbaro dira.
asa man?
Saan na, sa pagtanaw na din
Yes. Ito. Running through the places that I was someday. Ano sabi ni? Okay.
Backslash sip. Water.
Wata. And I'm running to the place I said I'm running to the place. Bot ka. Ay, na nag-gib. Bay! Nag-gumabay. Sabot ka, gumabot ang... Babe. Ay, nagbuto ka po. Sabi.
So, joke.
All running to the place. Shut up. Ano yung barriers mo eh? Hello! Sorry. Shhh. I don't want into the... This one, sana na yung ibuhat eh. One of the worst presentations of what? Babe. What the fuck? Butter...
Butter. Kikut mo na sabay.
Sabay. Bubble coral, mati ale baga presento yun, saan naman eh? Running to the place I wanna walk
Napatay
someday.
mobs. Napatay mobs.
First half, coral, lawa. Stop messing around, happy to the moment. Ikaw na pud, uy.
Is!
Running to the
Ako akay.
Gani. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Running to the place. Running to the fucking place. Ano sa pagbutang o base inside the beehive?
Musodra sila.
Pwede nimo spaman og eggs.
Bees, eggs? Huh?
Imo spaman og eggs
Hala,
ang
ni
bees ba.
hatch sila. Tanawa.
Wala ka cute. If boot ka nimo block ba mamatay no. Just running through the place of the world was it? Extra long beehive.
Okay, now for the tube coral.
Yes. 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 Oh, tama. Padayon na eh. Saan naman eh? Explicit content. May patay naman ba? Wala naman kay tube coral.
Can you stop bullying me?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Uy, wala kita kasuya na. Ay, oh, lahat na mo ano, lahat dahil sorry fan man na, sorry.
Whatever.
Pataka, bot talaga. Was running through the places of life was someday nobody knows. I started to the best of the Lord, back of place. Lord, take me home where I
Okay, go.
belong. Ano, day ka day?
Ay, what ba this one. Stop pushing me!
Max settings imong volume.
Dili man.
Dahil max settings imong volume.
Kuan, 7.
6, 7. That's just on the
Okay,
highway.
go.
Sige. Carve pumpkin. Ano na, hatchers. Snipers. May hatchers.
That's ko i-update.
Hindi na siya pwede mo hatch. Bro, what the fuck is this bro doing? Ang jack-o'-lantern, arin eh, dere. Ay, I mean, ang carved pumpkin. Na normal na pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Tanan pumpkin sa Minecraft ba kay dili? Kay carved na daan. Ay, na di kay... Di... Ay! Ikaw din yung corals? Ay, corals? Naswap ta, babe. Ano lang ako, ikaw lang ang raw before, ano. So, ang carved pumpkin, ikaw ang raw before, ano, naunahan ako yung raw. Ay, you know what? Ayaw lang, babe. Ayaw lang. Ay, isa. Ting. Kani pumpkin og melon, okay ra ni sila. So they're the same. Wedge sponges and sponge, weird. Murag ka ng utility use, ragad na sila. So what ka? Like for utility use, ragad sila ba? Dapat talaga ni kabuo ko, ang juga gusto. Oo.
Ang usa na dito sa kuan wall.
Okay. That's my kuan. That's my row. Kana pod.
Okay. So,
Di gabutangan ni bro. Kanang kuan. After mine. Kana na ay carved pumpkin. Ni ako ang last.
the car pumpkin. It should be in the wall.
Oh, right. Sabet. Ay.
Uy, nilupad! 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 Nilupad!
Nilupad. Unsa
Nilupad!
nilupad? Unsa
Nilupad, oh!
nilupad? Asa dapit? Uy, hala ka cute. Hey. Singa niya. Hala ka cute. Di mo siya iring. Ah, iring jud kay, come on. Oh, weird na yung mga sponges eh. Mana?
Uy, musunod siya! Musunod siya nimo! Musunod siya
Oh,
nimo!
ka-cute.
Tanawa!
Ganun, cute kayo. Di pa niya masakyan?
Uy, uy, bukat ka.
Asa? Oh, cute, oy. Iring ka, gyapon nilang gigamit, no?
The
Oh, cute, babe,
pumpkin
oy.
is D tier.
Oh, yeah, I should put it there.
The light one, let's go. It goes higher up. The hay bale is really nice. So it goes here. Here. Bee's nest is the same. But this one, the honeycomb trypophobia. So it goes here. The slime
There?
block
Ah, oh,
is
bitaw sa.
too
Oh, shit.
gross. But the honey block is nice. So it goes here. Wait, no, 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 no. Here. Okay, your turn. Ikaw na, gusto ko ba?
Oh, ako na ang last. Verdant
Wait,
Froglight.
pa ko
Ay, go.
block of resin and or kuan okay froglight. The froglight, this is my best. This is my favorite light source.
Hindi.
The resin it goes with the other one. This one. It goes here. Okay, go. Now it's your turn.
Okay, bitaw no. I can. Oh, okay, okay. Chewy bitaw Froglights. Awa. Verdant Froglight o Pearlescent Froglight. Hell yes. Ang Skulk, bro. This shit disgusting, my guy. Like, unsa man ni sila eh. But nga nila ko og barrier. Kay natubo ni sila. I think. That shit will grow, right? Kanipod, mutubo po na siya. Hello! Skull Catalyst, I don't want you growing on my shit. This one, I don't think that will grow.
This was cool though. This one.
Pero it's fucking... It's cobweb. They are annoying, pero they're not bad. Ara na dia. Bedrock. Bedrock. Like, hmm. Okay, that's it for our con, babe.
That's it for the first half.
The natural blocks. Wala pa. Napay functional blocks or what? Redstone.
Can we do it tomorrow? Next time.
Okay, we do it tomorrow. You stop the recording.